Hello friends. I am your Simple Bappa and you are watching our travel vlog channel. In today's episode, I am taking you to one of the most iconic and historic luxury hotels in Vietnam, Hotel Majestic Saigon. In this full video, we will explore everything in detail: how to reach the hotel, the grand lobby experience, the rooms, the rooftop swimming pool, the complimentary buffet breakfast, spa, gym, and finally my overall experience. So sit back and enjoy this virtual hotel tour with me. Vietnam is one of the most beautiful countries in Southeast Asia, known for its rich history, culture, delicious food, and vibrant city life. The most energetic and commercial city of the country is Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon. This city is always alive, busy streets filled with motorbikes, riverside cafes, night markets, and modern skyscrapers blending perfectly with historical French colonial architecture. And right in the heart of this dynamic city, beside the Saigon River, stands the legendary Hotel Majestic Saigon, established in 1925. With nearly a century of history, this hotel beautifully preserves its French colonial charm. If you are traveling internationally, you will arrive at Tan Son Nhat International Airport. From the airport, it takes around 20 to 25 minutes by taxi or Grab to reach the hotel, depending on traffic. As you drive toward the city center, you will notice the lively streets and the beautiful river views. The moment you arrive in front of the hotel, you immediately feel a sense of elegance and heritage. As you enter the hotel lobby, you are welcomed by a grand chandelier, polished marble floors, and classic European-style decor. The atmosphere feels royal yet peaceful. The staff greets you warmly with smiles and ensures a smooth and quick check-in process. There are comfortable seating areas in the lobby where you can relax and enjoy a coffee while soaking in the historic ambience of the property.
Flying high across the sky, new adventures in my eyes, touching down in Vietnam, where the river gently shines. City lights and motorbikes, stories written in the air. Saigon calling out my name. Magic everywhere. From the airport to the heart of town, history rising all around. A golden door, a royal sign, a timeless place where stars align. On majestic nights in Saigon, where the river flows so strong, under sunset painted skies, feels like where my heart belongs. Simple Bappa is here. Travel dreams are crystal clear in the glow of city lights, majestic memories.
Now let me tell you in more detail about the room experience at Hotel Majestic Saigon, because honestly, this is where you truly feel the charm of the property. The rooms are designed in classic French colonial style, which gives a timeless and elegant atmosphere. The moment you open the door, you notice the warm wooden flooring, antique-style furniture, and soft lighting that creates a cozy yet luxurious feeling. The color palette is mostly cream, gold, and brown tones, which adds to the royal ambience of the room. The bed is large, extremely comfortable, and fitted with premium quality mattresses and soft pillows. The linens are crisp and clean, giving you that 5-star comfort. After a long day exploring Ho Chi Minh City, lying down on this bed feels incredibly relaxing. You can truly enjoy deep, peaceful sleep here. One of the best parts of many rooms is the large windows or private balcony. If you book a riverview room, you can wake up to the beautiful view of the Saigon River. During sunrise, the natural light enters the room softly, creating a very peaceful morning vibe. In the evening, the city lights reflecting on the river make the view even more magical. The room is also equipped with all modern amenities. There is a flat-screen TV with international channels, high-speed Wi-Fi, a minibus stocked with beverages and snacks, a work desk for business travelers, and a safety locker for valuables. The air conditioning system works perfectly, allowing you to adjust the temperature according to your comfort. The bathroom is spacious and beautifully maintained. It usually features a bathtub along with a separate shower area. The marble finishing and large mirror give it a premium feel. Complimentary toiletries such as shampoo, conditioner, body wash, soap, and a hairdryer are provided. Clean white towels and bathrobes add to the comfort and luxury experience. If you choose to stay in a suite, you get even more space, including a separate living area with sofas and a coffee table. This is perfect for families or couples who want extra privacy and comfort. The suites offer an even better panoramic river view and a more exclusive atmosphere. Overall, the room at Hotel Majestic Saigon perfectly blends historic elegance with modern comfort. It is not just a place to sleep, it feels like stepping back in time while still enjoying all the conveniences of a luxury hotel.
Every night, colonial walls and chandeliers, whispers from 100 years, soft pillows and a river view, morning sunlight breaking through, rooftop pool above the town, golden sunset going down, floating where the skyline gleams, living in my travel dreams, breakfast by the riverside, coffee strong with morning pride, every moment feels so right, luxury wrapped in golden light, majestic nights in Saigon, where the city sings its song from the lobby to the sky.
Now let's talk about one of the most attractive features of Hotel Majestic Saigon, the rooftop swimming pool. The pool is located on the rooftop level, offering a stunning panoramic view of the Saigon River and the Ho Chi Minh City skyline. What makes this pool special is not just the water or the design, but the atmosphere. When you step into the pool area, you immediately feel open space, fresh air, and a peaceful vibe above the busy city streets. The pool itself is beautifully maintained, with clean, clear water and a comfortable temperature. It's perfect whether you want to swim a few relaxing laps in the morning or just float and unwind in the afternoon. Around the pool, there are comfortable lounge chairs where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the sunshine. Towels are provided by the hotel, making it convenient for guests. One of the best times to visit the rooftop pool is during sunset. As the sun slowly sets over the Saigon River, the sky turns shades of orange and pink, creating a breathtaking view. The reflection of the evening lights on the river adds a magical touch to the entire experience. It's an ideal spot for photography, romantic moments, or simply enjoying some quiet time. Next to the pool area, there is often access to rooftop dining or a bar section, where you can order refreshing drinks, coffee, or light snacks. Imagine sitting by the pool with a cool drink in your hand, watching the city lights sparkle. It truly feels like a luxury getaway. The rooftop pool at Hotel Majestic Saigon is not very crowded most of the time, which makes it even more enjoyable. It's peaceful, elegant, and perfectly blends relaxation with scenic beauty. Whether you are traveling for leisure or business, spending some time at this rooftop pool adds a special highlight to your stay. Now let me tell you in detail about the complimentary buffet breakfast and the restaurant experience at Hotel Majestic Saigon, because this is truly one of the highlights of staying here.
Every second feels so strong. Simple Bappa will show the best places you should know. Stay with me and you will see this is where you want to be. Spa breeze calm and slow, gym lights softly glow, river shining down below. Let the peaceful feeling flow. Travel far, travel free. This is more than luxury. It's a story you can feel. It's a dream that's truly real. Oh, majestic nights in Saigon, underneath the rising dawn.
Every morning, the hotel serves a rich and beautifully arranged buffet breakfast for guests. The breakfast area is spacious, elegant, and designed in classic colonial style, with large windows that allow natural light to fill the room. If you choose outdoor terrace seating, you can enjoy your meal while looking at the peaceful Saigon River, which makes the morning even more special and refreshing. The buffet spread offers a wide variety of both international and Vietnamese dishes. For those who want to try local flavors, there is traditional Vietnamese pho, freshly prepared by the chef. You can also find fried rice, noodles, sautéed vegetables, and other Asian breakfast options. Everything is freshly cooked and replenished regularly. For international guests, there are plenty of Western options as well. You will find different styles of eggs, scrambled, fried, omelette made live at the counter, along with sausages, bacon, baked beans, pancakes, waffles, and crispy toast. There is also a selection of fresh salads for lighter eaters. The bakery section is especially impressive. Fresh croissants, pastries, muffins, and different types of bread are neatly displayed. You can pair them with butter, jam, or honey. The fruit section includes seasonal tropical fruits like watermelon, pineapple, dragon fruit, and papaya, all fresh and sweet. When it comes to beverages, there is freshly brewed Vietnamese coffee, tea, fresh juices, and sometimes even detox drinks. Vietnamese coffee, in particular, is strong and flavorful, a perfect way to start your day. Beyond breakfast, the hotel restaurant also serves lunch and dinner with a mix of Vietnamese and international cuisine. In the evening, the ambience becomes more romantic and elegant, especially if you dine on the terrace with the river view. The presentation of dishes is refined, and the service is professional and attentive. Overall, the complimentary buffet breakfast at Hotel Majestic Saigon is not just about eating, it's about starting your day with comfort, taste, and a beautiful riverside atmosphere. It adds great value to your stay and makes your experience even more memorable. For guests who want to relax and rejuvenate, the hotel spa offers a range of treatments including traditional massages and aromatherapy sessions. The professional therapists ensure a soothing experience that refreshes both body and mind. And if you want to maintain your fitness routine, the hotel gym is equipped with modern machines including treadmills, cardio equipment, and weight training facilities in a clean and comfortable environment. In the evening, the rooftop area transforms into a magical place. The city lights reflect beautifully on the Saigon River, and the illuminated skyline creates a romantic and vibrant atmosphere. It's the perfect time to capture stunning photos or simply enjoy a peaceful moment above the busy city. So friends, this was my complete experience at Hotel Majestic Saigon in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. If you are planning to visit Vietnam, this historic luxury hotel is definitely worth considering for your stay. I hope you enjoyed this detailed tour. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Simple Bappa travel vlog channel. I will see you again in the next video with a new destination, a new hotel, and a new experience. Until then, stay safe and keep traveling.
Every journey finds its way when your heart keeps moving on. Simple Bappa die once more, opening a brand new door. Majestic stay forever bright. Saigon dreams every night. This is Simple Bappa from Hotel Majestic Saigon. See you in the next journey.